What's up, y'all? It's your girl Jonisha. I'm mad as hell right now. I bought this ice maker right here off of Amazon for $267 March of 2024. And ever since last week, this damn thing just don't work. Like, all it do is make like a knocking noise. Listen. Now, this ice machine has been like my best thing. Like, the light work, it was just the best. Now all of a sudden it just don't work. It just don't work. So I try to go to the website, right? Because it got a website on here. Why the website don't exist? Then I go to Amazon where I purchased it. Why people in the comments saying the website don't exist no more? Oh, hell nah. Amazon owe me, or these people right here